we're going to learn how to make a loop with an uneven or odd number of strings. So firstly, you cut your strings and have arranged them the way you want them to be. And I am going to use the black string to make the loop. So I'll pull out the odd black string, and make a backward knot first, then a forward knot, a backward knot, and a forward knot. I'll just speed up the process. As you can see, the string I picked was a little too small, so I'm going to show you how to a tip. I just flip it over and continue. So just turn it and use the other side. Now we're going to start with a forward knot. Pull, then a backward knot. Now remember, to make a loop, you're just basically doing backward forward knots or forward backward knots repeatedly until when you get the length you want. So I'm going to do it again. Forward knot, backward knot, and this is the length I want. Now I'm just going to continue to show you how I would continue making the bracelet from here. Sorry, I forgot to zoom in. Now that thread I used to make the loop, I'm going to just weave it in. Now I'm starting a teardrop, so I'm going to make a forward knot first. Now I'll make a backward knot, remember to let that black string inside. Now I'll take another pink string and make a knot. I'm going to start with the backward knot first. Remember to make sure the black string is also there. Pull. I'll make another backward knot. See, I'm experimenting. I'm not used to using binders clips. In fact, I just bought it last week. I am more of a pin person. Now we'll take the dark pink string. I finally remember to zoom in. So we're going to continue knotting. Now make a forward knot, or half of a forward knot. Pull and make a backward knot, so all the strings are facing one direction. That's the reason why. Now see, make sure that black is inside. Now we're going to put it to the back and make the last knot. So we're going to make backward knot. And we'll do the same for the other side, but on the other side we don't have the same amount of string. We only have three, which are three black strings, so we're going to knot on top of these three pink strings here. So line them up and make a forward knot. Make another forward knot. Now we're going to put the strings below. Since we only have 3 strings, we're going to put them back and make the second half of the forward knot to make sure none of the strings stick out from the other side. Now we're going to complete it, and that will be it for today. Uh, Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or the tutorial is not actually that satisfactory, I would like you to leave a comment below. Thank you.